Okay, now for our second recipe of the series with Marine Harvest Tilapia, we're going to make fish tacos. Today, let's talk about tilapia, a delicious lean protein that's perfect for quick and nutritious meals like these tilapia tacos. Each tilapia fillet has about 130 calories and just 1 gram of fat, making it a great option if you're watching your calories or fat intake. Plus, it's packed with 32 grams of high-quality protein per fillet, which supports muscle repair and overall body strength. Best of all, Marine Harvest tilapia portions come ready to cook. Just keep them cold until you're ready to prepare. Cook to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit and enjoy. Try adding tilapia to your weeknight rotation. It's simple, nutritious, and delicious. Hope you love this recipe as much as I do.